Hello friends, I wish you have a great time and enjoy this video. In this episode, Grandpa JJ will tell you an interesting story from Tinkle Comics. The name of this story is Missing Maya from the epic tales of Sons of Ram, Love and Kush. Vaidehi's pet dove, Maya, is missing, and Vaidehi is beside herself with worry.
I'm sure that silly doe must have chased a butterfly deep into the forest again.
Don't worry, Mother. Kush and I will find Maya.
Yes, Mother, we'll get Maya back by sundown.
Later,
Darn Maya tried eating my clay sculptures, and when I chased her, she ran away into the forest.
Great, Maya won't be hungry for a while then.
She won't be safe for too long either. I'm sure the Gandhava would have eaten her by now.
Agaj. You better keep your stupid theories to yourself.
Come on, friends. We have to go look for Maya.
the kids search high
Ma, yeah.
and low.
Ma, yeah.
Maya. Maya. It's getting late, love. I hope no wild animal has got hold of Maya.
Help! Help!
Something's wrong.
Help!
Get away, you wild beasts.
Well, the only things wild here are our friends' wild screams.
Hey, look here. Footprints.
Let's follow them.
Oh.
Kush.
Ah.
Kush, are you alright?
Oh yeah, I am very cozy, stuck in this dark ditch. Get me out of here.
Humph. This ditch is a hunter's trap.
Hunters. Our forest never had hunters.
This is not good.
Maya may be in real trouble.
Just then,
It's Maya. The hunters got her.
Quick, everyone, let's go. The hunter.
Halt there. Mangal, Bilu, Sohan, you take the left. Where is he? I think he went that way.
The fools.
just then,
Not so fast, mister.
Ah! Ow! Ah!
Love and Kush have captured the hunter.
Maya is safe. Yippee.
Please, I beg you, help me out of this ditch.
How ironic. The hunter has fallen into his own trap.
Love, Kush, leave him in the ditch.
For the hungry tigers.
No, no, please. I promise never to come back here.
Ever?
Never, ever.
Come on, Maya. Let's take you home.
Yay, Mother will be thrilled.
Love and Kush save the day again.
hope you liked that story. For more stories like these, please like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you. Have a great time.